Namo Nama. We are learning Sankhyaye. We have learned up to Ashatihi. Ashatihi means 80. So, if we count the things, these all are total 80 things. 80. Ashatihi. If we add one thing to these Ashatihi, then it will be Ekashitihi. Ekashitihi means 81. 80 plus 1 is Ekashitihi. If we add Ekam Dve, then it is Dvayashitihi. Dvayashitihi means 82. If we add Ekam Dve Trini, we are adding 3 things to 80 things. Then it becomes Taryashitihi. Taryashitihi means 83. Now we are adding some more things to these 80 things. Let us add Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari. We have added 4 things. So it is Chatur Shitihi 84. Chatur is 4, Ashitihi 80. 80 plus 4 means Chatur Shitihi. Now we are adding more things to all these 80 things. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha. What it will become? Can you guess? It is Panchashitihi. Panchashitihi, 85. Now adding more things to all these Ashitihi things, 80 things. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha and Shada. Very easy to guess, right? It is Shada Shitihi, 86. Shada Shitihi, 80 plus 6. Now let us add Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shada and Sapta. So what it will become? Very easy to guess, right? It's Saptashitihi. Saptashitihi 87. Now we have added 7 things which become Saptashitihi. Let's add 8 things. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shada, Sapta, Ashta. And it becomes Ashtashitihi 88. Now we are adding more things. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shada, Sapta, Ashta, Nava. What it will become? Navashitihi, 89. Now we are going to add 10 things to these 80 things. We are going to add Dasha to Ashitihi. Let us add Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha, Shada, Sapta, Ashta, Nava, Dasha. So we are adding all these 10 things to these 80 things. And it becomes Navatihi. Navatihi means 90. 80 plus 10 become 90. It is called Navatihi. So friends, I hope you have enjoyed learning the numbers from Ekashitihi to Navatihi. See you in the next video. Happy learning. Dhanyavadaha.